What are you doing out here, little guy? All chained up, huh? No color. Just dirt and rain and eyes that look too old for your little face. You're shaking. Is it the cold? Or just everything? Yeah, I get that. You know, it's kinda messed up that this isn't the worst thing I've seen today. I mean, my boss yelled at me for showing up late, but I was only late because someone thought it would be fun to block the bus stop with a mattress on fire. So, naturally, I had to hop a fence, rip my tights, and step in something. Anyway, I don't usually talk to dogs, so this is new for me. But you're listening. And that's more than I can say for half the people I work with. You're a good boy. Did anyone ever tell you that? You've got this serious little look on your face. Like you understand every word I'm saying, even with my accent. But people, people give me hell for it. So you're already better than most. I shouldn't be out here talking to you like this. I've got nothing figured out. My apartment's a mess. I've got 3 unpaid bills, 0 stability, and exactly 1 cracked umbrella with spiders living in it. And I work late. Too late. Most nights I come home just long enough to fall asleep with my makeup on. I can't give you morning walks and squeaky toys and whatever else good dogs are supposed to get. But even with all that, maybe lonely at mine is still better than lonely out here. At least there you'd have walls. A window to watch the rain from instead of wearing it. Someone to say stupid things to you when the day's gone wrong. I'm not trying to be a hero. I'm not even sure I'm the kind of person that should own a pet. But I am the kind of person who can't just walk away from something like you. Listen, if I unclip this chain, you're really going to come with me? Just like that? You're easy to trust, huh? You're easy to trust, no? Well, that makes one of us. Alright, then, little ghost. Let's make a deal. You don't pee on my vinyls, and I will give you half of my blanket. Hmm? Come here. You smell like wet sadness. Don't worry, we'll fix that. I'm gonna name you something dramatic, something poetic, and a little annoying. Like Edgar. Or something cute and funny, like Bumblebee Bunny. You little Bumblebee Bunny. Or maybe rain, since you came with it. Don't worry. We'll see if you like it. You'll let me know, no? You've got those honest eyes. You are like me. Can't even lie when you try. Can't lie even when you try, huh? Oh. You are warming up already. Maybe this won't be such a mistake after all. I mean, I've always said, if I'm gonna be a mess, I might as well be a mess with company.